Interesting, Momo. Feel like it would have to be I feel like it would have to be stabilized, like it would have to be soaked all the way through the wood, but maybe we could find a way to figure it out. I don't think we're getting alert sounds. Wait, you're not getting alert sounds? I got alert sounds. I heard you gifted a sub. Oh man, I actually can't replay that alert here. You didn't hear the sub alert, Momo? But Tal, welcome in. Good to see you as well. I'm sorry, I'm behind on chat. How do you get wood so shiny like the pin? So Poe, that one has got a CA glue finish. So I'll show you. Show you in just a second. Let me try to repeat that. I'm gonna repeat this alert. You guys aren't hearing this? Oh, it's quiet. Is that better now? I think they were just really quiet. They do look quieter than normal though. That's strange. I've got new headphones in today. I don't think my setup hasn't changed. Oh, y'all don't. Y'all are trying out the alerts now. Thank you, Tatum. Thank you, Momo, for the 100 bits each. I do appreciate that. One more bits or sub to a hype train. Also testing sound alerts. Thank you guys. Appreciate the sound alert testing. So on this pen specifically, it became shiny because I used super glue as a finish. And it's not something I normally like doing, but it does work out well whenever you're using stabilized burl. I love scotch. Scotch. Here it goes down into my belly. Yeah. Thank you, Tatum, for the 50 bits to play Scotch. GG with the 100 bits to start up a hype train. Thank you so much, GG. Tatum, appreciate that. I love Scotch. Yeah, that one has got a CA or a super glue finish on there. And then we just get it to where it's highly polished with really high grit sandpaper and buffing compound and just try to do our best to get it shiny, but it's not easy. Tatum with 44 bits. Tatum with another 44 bits. Hell yeah, Tatum, appreciate those 88 bits. Sometimes it's good to think outside the box. Thank you, App State. An ever box, exactly. Instructions, yes. Brass is best. Yeah. I don't know. I had some bad luck, Omnius, on these hinges. I had some bad luck on some Rockler hinges. TJ gifting a sub to Robin.